Hi, how do you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Dominican Republic. Let's draw the outlines first. The dark blue is on left side and the bottom of the right side. And the other two blocks are going to be the red color. Okay, let's put the green color on two sides. All right, now we're going to fill the spaces. Fill up. Let's fill up the blue spaces first. Also this side. Now we are putting the red colors in these rectangles. All right, so the flag, it looks good. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Put the bell icons on, you can have the updates, and also please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. You can also browse through our playlist for different categories of drawings. The flags is only one of the among the categories, many categories. So we also have other categories and other drawings too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.